Apple was the first to publicly make available the double tap gestures or backtap, and I think they're pretty cool. So let's find out what we can do to have this on our Android devices. The alpha version is available on XDA and it's created by Kieran Quinn, and if you find this cool, you can also donate to them. Mine is already downloaded, so I head out to my file manager to install the APK file provided. Make sure to activate the accessibility settings, and now you're halfway done. I'll head back to the app and I'll leave the device model unchanged. You can do a lot of things with them, like launching certain apps, do certain actions like the Google Assistant, but I already have a button for that. So mine will act as a toggle for the flashlight. That's all fun, but what if I don't want the gestures to be set while the phone is in my pocket? You know, machine learning is still machine learning, it's still prone to errors. Well, you can activate what we call a gate to block the gestures common to run any actions. You can block them when the screen is off, when it's connected, or when you're making a phone call. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, a like or a sub will be much appreciated. My name is Kensei, this is Kevin Taylor, and I will see you in the next one.